Tulum, yes, Tulum. Oh, I think I'm done with Tulum. I hate this place. This video is a preview of all the content that's coming, as well as how to navigate that content. There are 3 things I want you to know. We got good news and bad news. The good news is that there are 3 places that you can get tons of helpful tips. 1, the YouTube playlist. Too many people think I have 1 video or 2 Tulum videos. There will be over 70 videos. You can get a preview of what they are in the description of this video. The second thing I want you to know is that there are blog posts. There are supplemental blog posts that will help you to digest the helpful tips I am giving you. And 3, if you just want quick tips, there's also a ton of social media posts to help you plan your Tulum trip.
Ooh, it's a lot of content.
The bad news is that there's a high chance I might take down all of this content. I accept criticism. I do not tolerate hate. And if you've ever had to deal with
hundreds of trolls hiding behind their computer,
I'm sorry, but if you haven't, great, but it sucks. And so I've put out a lot of Tulum content already. In this series, I am talking very, very honestly. My most helpful tips and my most honest stories about some of the bad things that have happened to me are all going to be put out on this channel. A lot of it is going to be free, and the rest of it, the most helpful resources, etc., I am going to price it at an extremely low price. But the reason is because I want to keep the trolls out from seeing the free content, and yeah, I think you understand what I mean. This in itself is an honest video. Ugh, your girl's editing hard. Cannot wait for you to see some of the content that's coming. A lot of you have been messaging me, and there are going to be some helpful tips in here coming at you soon.